Hey y'all, it's morning time. Good morning. It's gonna be morning time when y'all watch this because I'm gonna put it up in the morning time, so I know it's gonna be morning. It's gonna be starting our week off, but we starting our week off with a coffee maker. Y'all, we starting our morning off with a coffee maker because Rhonda got me creamer, Nia got me a coffee maker and coffee. Girl, don't get no better than that. Y'all, I was gonna try to thug it out. I was trying to thug it out. Look, I thought that was out the frame, but since it's not. But let me just show y'all what we got. So, yeah, got us a coffee maker. It is a coffee maker, so this video is being sponsored by Nia Smith. The Mrs. and the Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Y'all, we got the pink Keurig. I'm about to open this. And she also, girl, she sent me a Keurig bundle, baby. And she also got me coffee for my Keurig. So we got toasted graham. This is a oldie but a goodie. I tried this for the first time with her per se, but not, with her. But we tried this at the same exact time, like last year when this first came out, toasted graham. I love toasted graham. It's definitely my flavor. So yeah, so toasted graham is one of my favorite. When I saw this and I was just like, oh my goodness. This sounds so good. Now, I'm not a cinnamon lover. I don't love cinnamon. But brown sugar, I love brown sugar. It was one I tried last year that had a title, it said mocha, and I don't like mocha either, but the other was, I forget, was it called brown sugar mocha? And I could barely taste the mocha, but whatever that was, I love that one, even though it had mocha in it. This is one of the newest flavors that I've never gotten to taste until now. So it's brown sugar cinnamon. Y'all, the packaging, so cute. I may keep this box and refill it with whatever flavor I drink out of, because y'all know I want a pink kitchen. So thanks, Nia, for the coffee. Y'all, I got a new coffee cups. Okay, let's move that to the side. Y'all, I got 2 new coffee mugs. Y'all, this is so cute. I picked this up when I went in Target to get what I went in Target to get. Child, don't tell me. But we have the little bit, look at the chick coming out the egg, and they say Happy Easter. And then we have this one with the flowers. These was the 2 I picked for spring. These are my first 2. Well, they're not my first 2. I got 2 more mugs. That one don't count. But I got 1 mug that I've been drinking out of, and then now I have 2 more, so now I have 3 mugs. Started from the bottom, now we're here. But then I also got this cute little tray. Let me see if I can show y'all a tray. So I also got this cute little tray for $3. This is not really gonna sit on this, but that's what I had it on temporarily. Now y'all, thanks Rhonda, because Rhonda sent us some Dickies and I was like, ooh, that's what I'm gonna buy my creamer with. And my coffee, I do need my coffee. I be trying to get my coffee to last for the month. That's the best way to be, child, because when I be running out, it be terrible. It be devastating. It be crazy. The first one I picked up, let me answer the question. Yes, I only picked these creamers up because they pink, if you want to know, if that's the second answer you want. Y'all, look at this creamer. So it's a Bridgerton, it's the packaging, and then it's berries and cream. I'm sure I'm gonna love it. So it has little strawberries and blackberries and blueberries and whipped cream. And the flavor of this creamer is berries and cream. Mean Girls creamer. It is pink. That's amazing. That's amazing. If I didn't care about waste, I would have bought one of these and just kept it in the refrigerator forever until it spoiled, and it's still just been sitting in the refrigerator forever. But since we don't waste food and stuff around here, we only bought the one. But yeah, it's pink frosting. That's the flavor. And a couple of girls that I know that tried, they said it tastes like frosting. Gonna taste good in my coffee. So yeah, these my creamers. Things are on now. I'm gonna put them back in the refrigerator because first of all, it's freezing cold. And then let's open the Keurig. Y'all don't get this. It's so adorable. Here go the Keurig. There go the plug. And all her pink and cuteness. Let me get the tape off and stuff. Nia did tell me she got the warranty for the Keurig, child. So, don't be coming up here stuttering, acting like you don't want to make my call. I've never had this kind of Keurig. Did I have one size? Look at it. Yo, that's adorable. That's a freaking adorable. Like, that's adorable. Like, it's a milk frother too, if y'all was wondering what that is. Like, what is that? So cute. Like, yeah. So let me let y'all see it up close and personal. Y'all, look how cute. Like, that's adorable. Like, please. That's adorable. That's adorable. And then, keep your look. Oh, that's adorable. It's like, that's adorable. I want to find me one more spring cup because one go right here and then we're going to keep the two over there. But yeah, that's definitely adorable and I slibby. So yeah, that's the little Even though I feel like it should be down here a little more. That's the little coffee station, and then I'll probably just put coffee in this cabinet right here. I don't know what's in there, right? Oh, I do know what's in there. But yeah. Let's go cute. I can't wait to drink coffee in the morning. So yeah, y'all. Tell me. Yeah, girl, you ain't gotta tell me nothing. I don't know why I was gonna even say tell me. Yeah, it's freaking adorable. So cute. So yeah, y'all, that's my new Keurig. All set up in. Yeah. Nia, thank you so much. Child, cause we was boiling water on the stove. I don't know what to tell you. But y'all, boiling that water on the stove, the coffee was superb. No cap. The coffee was good. And the coffee was good. So, probably gonna miss it a little bit. But yeah, probably not. It's one of them things like, yeah, you still remember. But yeah, that one-stop shop with the Keurig gonna win every time. Y'all look how cute that is. So yeah, y'all. And I had got this. I just picked this up just because I thought it was cute today. But I was wondering. I don't have a plug. Oh yes, I do. I got a plug right here. Should I put this over here? They should make one of these that say coffee. Period. But yeah, so we don't need it over there. So that's my little coffee station, y'all. And Nia, thank you so much. Love you so much. And yeah, y'all step by step, baby steps. And y'all, we just enjoying the ride and getting everything little by little. Thank y'all for all y'all support along the way, and y'all have a great rest of y'all day. And yeah, cause I'm gonna enjoy mine. I'm actually finna get ready to, yeah, get my, yeah. So yeah, y'all have a great one. Bye y'all.